Greetings, Ascended Nation. Coming to you with another reading. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. So this reading is going to be a little different, okay? I basically do my readings as my guides guide me to do them, all right? Because it's different ways that we could obtain information, okay? And we are limitless. So I did use my zodiac cards, like the zodiac cards where I break down each sign. Okay, so for example, December Sagittarius and or December Capricorn. Okay, so I used those, shuffled those, got 3 cards out. I broke down each sign. All right, and I broke down each sign by using Tarot Kipper. I used my Island Time Wellness Love Oracle cards as well. And then I use my Truth Teller Oracle. Okay, so starting off this reading, remember to take what resonates, what does not resonate for you. Leave it right here. Never feel obligated to make it stick to your life and or situation. Okay, so we have a December Sagittarius. All right, so the month of December could be significant. Sagittarius, which is the 9th house, could definitely be significant as well. Okay, so also a December Sagittarius specifically can be significant. This does not necessarily have to be you. It could be someone who is in your energy. Okay, so let's get to it. First card we have here is change. All right, so there is some sort of change in current energy when it pertains to this December Sagittarius energy. Okay, and the 9th house, which is ruled by Sagittarius, talks about travel. Okay, so you could be traveling. There could be some higher education that you're pursuing, a new career. Any of that could definitely be significant. You could also be gaining some sort of wisdom or enlightenment as well. Okay, so to further clarify this change energy, we have mask. All right, so not showing true feelings, high personified, pretend, delude, gaslighting. Okay, so the energy that I'm getting off of this card is there is some sort of change that is coming to either a December Sagittarius, okay, that wears a mask, number one. Number two, I feel like collective. There is some sort of travel that you could be doing, okay, if you are this December Sagittarius, all right, depending on which side of karma you're on, like I always say, all right. So to further clarify this energy, we have underage prostitution, okay. So with this clarifying change and mask, someone going to jail. Okay, that's what I'm getting right off top. Okay, whether you're this December Sagittarius or it's someone that is in your energy. Okay, this could be another Sagittarius. Okay, but I know what I'm picking up on. So please believe me, this is a December Sagittarius that is wrapped up in some sort of underage prostitution. This person is wearing a mask and there is a change here. Okay. We then have Jack Teagarden, Jeepers Creepers. Okay. Whomever this energy is, this is someone who has eyes on you. Okay. They could be watching you. If you're someone who does something on a public platform, they could be watching you, and maybe they're watching you because this is someone who could be afraid of their mask falling off. There could be something that you could be revealing. You know, take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it right here. But I know what I'm picking up. All right. Following that, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So something is significant here about finances. Okay. Something could also be significant about a family. All right. Also, the number 10, the 10 of Pentacles, the 10th house, talks about someone who is in the public eye. Okay, this is a masculine energy. Okay, someone could be concerned about their reputation, their fame, their fortune, all of that. All right, but to further clarify this, we have abundance. Okay, so I am picking up 2 collective. There is going to be some change when it pertains to, like I said, you could be moving, any of this. All right, like I said, remember to take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here. any kind of energy can come out, okay? But you know what applies to you, you know what doesn't apply to you. But there is some sort of positivity that is coming in. Spirit is saying to keep a positive mindset when it pertains to this, okay? And this is coming in because you have been staying in the vibration of gratitude, okay? So to further clarify this energy, we have this is your winning season. Double confirmation because this came out in the reading before this, okay? Then we have Nipsey Hussle Victory Lap. All right. This card is up right now in this reading. The reading before this card came out in reverse. So something is a victory here when it pertains to this energy. Okay. So next we have Virgo energy. Okay, so we have a September Virgo. All right, so something could be significant about an actual September Virgo. Okay, September could be significant just a month. Virgo energy could be significant, which could talk about an investigation. It could talk about spirits. Y'all know Virgo for me, the Hermit energy talks about spirits for me as well. The sixth house could definitely be significant, which talks about health, systems, and organizations. Okay, Mercury energy is significant as well, which could talk about some sort of communication. All right, so to further clarify this, we have message. Okay, so like I said, something significant about some sort of communication with that Mercury energy. All right, so you could be receiving some sort of message, okay, or someone else could be receiving a message. Maybe you're sending a message, okay, or someone could have sent you a message. All right, following that, we have the Golden Mirror, self-absorbed narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. Okay, and this energy, me personally speaking, this is crazy because I just mentioned this on my community tab. All right, so this is definitely some sort of confirmation for me. Okay, but something is significant here about maybe you receiving a message from a narcissist. Okay, someone here could be receiving a message about their health as well. Okay, so something could be significant about someone's health. A health concern could be significant. Okay, but something significant here about careful of receiving a message from a narcissist who is still trying to love bomb you or gaslight and all that other stuff. Okay, so to further clarify this, we have controlling sibling or siblings. All right, so something could be significant here about you receiving a message from a sibling or siblings who are controlling in some way, shape, or form. Okay, this is a heads up from spirit that someone or people could be trying to love bomb or gaslight you in some manipulation in some way, shape, or form. Okay, also, something could be significant about health concerns when it surrounds these siblings. All right. Following that, we have playing victim. So yeah, these individuals are trying to play the victim card. Okay. But these are narcissists. Okay. They could be a part of some sort of organization as well. Okay. Following that, we have the Six of Wands. All right. So heavy on that victory energy that we picked up. Okay. So you could be receiving some sort of public recognition and maybe these narcissists are aware. Okay. Also, something could be significant about your confidence and your good fortune as well. Okay. Maybe you reaching some sort of achievements and then there could be some sort of good news coming in. Okay. So that's that information energy. Okay. Also, and then we got six again. We had 666 down here as well. Okay. Following that, we have the butterfly. Relationship evolve into the next phase, healing the inner child and growth. So yeah, you have been making a lot of progress and spirit is so proud of you. Okay, your ancestors are so proud of you. Following that, we have fake social media accounts and trolling. Okay, so yeah, someone here or these individuals, they just want to control you, by trolling and all of that other stuff. Okay, and watching you and this, that, and the other. Then we have ancestors have all blind spots covered. So do know that you are heavily protected. And like I said, your guides are so proud of you. Okay. So next up, and I'm time stamping these for y'all. So y'all don't have to, you listen to what you want to listen to. Okay. All right. So We got a February Pisces. All right. So something could be significant here about the month of February. Okay. Something could also be significant here about a Pisces. Okay. An actual Pisces born in the month of February could definitely be significant. Okay. And with that Pisces energy, it could talk about that 12th house Neptune energy. Okay. So something could be significant about spirituality and magic. Okay, endings, healing, what's hidden can definitely be significant here as well. All right, so we have lovers. Okay, so yeah, we have the lovers card first. All right, the number 15 could be significant. All right, with that 15 energy, I'm getting some sort of obsession and I'm getting unhealthy energy, okay? Because that 15 reduces to a 6. Like I told you, 666 is here, okay? Obsession definitely talks about devil energy, okay? And people associate 666 with devil energy, but it does not just signify that, okay? There is a good aspect when it pertains to that number, but anywho, 15, there could be something significant about some lovers or a pair or family or whatever it may be, friends, groups, whatever, that are obsessed in some sort of way, okay? With that 6, someone could be facing some sort of health issues, okay? We have girl with the snake. So empath, narcissist, paradigm, being charmed or used, enable boundaries. So spirit is saying to keep your boundaries up when it pertains to whomever these people are. The lovers card could talk about family members. We just saw siblings, okay? So definitely be careful. Keep your boundaries in where they are, okay? If you haven't instilled boundaries yet, you need to, okay? So to further clarify this, we have gay for pay, all right? So someone here is gay for pay, okay? Following that, we have tower energy, storm warning, incoming, 16, 13, 22, 14, 911. Okay, so there could be some sort of tower that is incoming when it pertains to whatever this is. Someone could be exposing somebody. I'm picking up that energy here as well, okay, or something about that, all right? Some sort of magic could be backfiring too with that Pisces Neptune energy, okay? So we then have the 6 of swords, Aquarius energy, all right? So you moving on could definitely be significant, all right? Or someone you moved on from could be significant here, all right? Some sort of change could be significant as well, all right? Changes to someone's health could definitely be significant too. Then we have addiction in reverse. So you let go of some sort of codependency, okay? Or something could be significant about something being revealed surrounding a codependent relationship, okay? Following that, we have the magic is in your DNA. Black magic, who or what, okay? So you don't have to play around in magic. Like I said, that's that Neptune energy. Following that, we have a corrupt surgeon. All right, so something could be significant here about a corrupt surgeon being involved. I'm getting that off of that swords, because swords is about surgeries, okay? That air energy, all right? But about a corrupt surgeon being involved, and due to the fact that this person they knew who you are, they know who you are, they knew who you were, point blank period. It was something they were looking for, okay? Then we have Archangel Gabriel, all right? Final call, judgment, justice. Sky trumpets is significant. The throat chakra is significant. Angel number 444, 1044, or 44 you could be seeing as well. So judgment has been called on this whole situation, okay? So that is everything I have for you when it pertains to this reading. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.